Albert Cup Market. Lots of street food and other good stuff. Of course, we're gonna go here. Let's do it. Stepping into the market now. Lots of cool stuff. A lot of souvenir type items, random furs. Let's find some street food now. Our first stop, fried seafood. We're doing the mussels. Those mussels right there. Freshly fried mussels with whiskey cocktail sauce. Course number 1. Like it? What do you like about it?
Crispy and salty. Fresh and hot.
Long line of fried food now. Fried seafood. 1 euro juices reminds me of Barcelona Ramblas. Freshly squeezed.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Next stop, bratwurst, currywurst. This looks good. Currywurst in action with fried onions. The bratwurst, fried underneath, grilled onions underneath. Yeah. How do you feel?
I'm excited to eat it. Try it now.
Super lots of time. Just getting the plain, just extra large.
Hey guys, enjoy.
Thank you.
Belgian waffles? We're getting chocolate milk instead. From a can. Let's do it. So much chicken. And your chicken on a stick sauté over there. Butchery.
Hi. Can I help you? Do you sell them by once?
This came from the chicken stand over here. They have Indonesian food in the form of chicken satay. It's peanut sauce on the chicken. Check it out. Big bottle sriracha. But we're doing the chili.
Oh, it's like a sweet. Oh, it's a sweet and sour sauce. It's not chili garlic.
Hot chocolate soda.
Let us try.
Alright, the fried mussels were so good we had to come back before we left. Yep. 2 servings of the fried mussels in 1 visit. They are pretty good. Tonight's dinner is brought to you by Speyk. Dutch food right outside our hotel, but it's a local favorite. So we're gonna check it out. Let's eat.
Yes.
First things first, drinks. Yeah, big drink menu, but I'm going with this. Cuyp, voted best Dutch beer, IPA. Let's do it. Here's the menu. We're gonna go with the veal roast as a starter. And then main course. She's gonna get suderlapjes. Did I say it right? I don't know. Then I'm gonna get the grilled rack of lamb. Quite the menu here. Very good. Course number 1, the beer and bread course. Or bread and beer course. Yeah. This apparently, Cuyp is the number 1 rated IPA voted in the Netherlands. So we're gonna try. And I think it's 7% alcohol. And this is a girl. Cheers. And my Cuyp beer. Going strong. And the veal roast. Yum. And the bread is really good here, actually. Yeah. So this is the rack of lamb. This is the restaurant specialty, not quite a Dutch specialty. It comes with potatoes, which is nice. Bread's still going strong, but then this is their beef stew, which is a Dutch specialty here. It looks so good. A lot of meat, a lot of red meat going on here. Good.
Thank you.
Here's the bill. A couple of drinks for each of us. An entree, 2 entrees, and an appetizer. Very good food, very good food. Thank you, Speyk. Bye-bye. Here's Winkel's menu. So we just got the Dutch meatballs, everything else. But we also got apple tart. So let's wait for it. Ooh. Deep fried Dutch meatballs, mustard, and this apple tart with whipped cream. Let us enjoy. Sweet and savory and sweet. Made it into the Pancake Bakery institution here. It is sweet and savory, not American style pancakes, but very much a Dutch pancake, an Amsterdam pancake. So yeah, pretty sweet. Let us eat. Bon appetit. Part of the Dutch breakfast. Okay, coffee. The waffle's real. We get this waffle on United Airlines flight, so but they serve it here. Interesting. An orange juice. The drink course. The Dutch breakfast. Sunny side egg, 3 of them, with ham. Some really good stuff. This is the real attraction. This is the savory one. Ham and pineapple?
Apple and bacon.
Apple and bacon. The Dutch. And for dessert, banana and Nutella. We sprinkled onto our own powdered sugar. There's the Nutella, we're gonna spread it on. Pancake Bakery. Let us enjoy. Yeah, very tasty. 2 pancakes and a regular breakfast for 2 of us. So we had 3 entrees. We were hungry. We hit the gym this morning, that's why. But yeah, very good food, very good food. Let us go to the market. Caphe, Saigon Caphe. We got a small bowl of pho to go. Very deck. Here it is, small bowl of pho. Just under €5. With their own restaurant shop. Yeah. Hot chocolate.